The event was listed on the Jamaica Tourist Board's website, which led many to direct their outrage at the entity. However, in a release issued this morning, the board denied endorsing the event. The JTB admitted that the event was endorsed by the JTB in past years, but it says the board didn't support Mocha Fest this year. The JTB explained that its website typically sets events years in advance to allow pre-planning for visitors. The board says it was an oversight on their part that the events section remained on their website during the pandemic. Meanwhile, head of the Westmoreland Police, Superintendent Robert Gordon, says they were unaware of the event.
When the police arrived there yesterday afternoon, sometime around 4 p.m. or thereabout, the breaches that were observed would have been persons not wearing their masks. That was what we would have seen when we went there. But based on the videos circulated, and again, I'd say if there are actual videos from the location, it would have been clear that there were social distancing breaches, among others, that were observed under the BRMA.
He says a member of the event's management team has been warned for prosecution.
I can also say to you that a member of the management team who was spoken to by the police yesterday was warned for prosecution, and we expect to follow through before the day is through on that particular action.
Superintendent Gordon says at least one of the owners of Rick's Cafe will be prosecuted.
Arising from the incidents at Rick's Cafe, at least one of the principals who were present yesterday will be prosecuted.
In the meantime, Twitter followers are expressing outrage at the staging of the event. Ingrid Riley says the fake outrage, promise of investigations, the hypocrisy is glaring. Hundreds of people flying in, picked up by tour buses, taken to hotels, and Rick's Cafe is full, and the tourism officials pretend not to know about an event listed on its website. And Sean Wenzel says Rick's Cafe needs to get the same treatment that was meted out to Reggae Mill at Devon House in July when they hosted an illegal party, shut the place down and arrest the owner. There should not be a double standard here. Either we are enforcing the DRMA or we're not. Wayne Walker, Nationwide News.